Hey designers! If you've ever tried adding Lottie animations into Figma, you probably noticed something. Figma just doesn't support them properly. But what if you could convert Lottie animations into real vector animations directly inside Figma? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how. And I'm also introducing a plugin I built called Lottie Flow. Let's check it out. So you search for plugins, and most of them import the animation as a GIF or video, which means your beautiful animation becomes blurry raster mess. And zooming in, yeah, that's a pixel party. So I built something better. Meet Lottie Flow, a plugin that converts Lottie animations into real vector animations inside Figma. Inside the plugin, you have two tabs. First, Upload, where you can import your own Lottie file. And second, Global, where you can explore free animations.
So let's upload the animation we downloaded earlier. And boom, the plugin reads the animation frames. Now here's something cool. If your animation has too many frames, it can slow down Figma. So we added import speed controls. 1 times imports every frame. 2 times imports every second frame. 3 times imports every third frame. For example, if the animation has 24 frames, 2 times turns it into 12 frames. 3 times turns it into 8 frames. So your animation stays smooth without killing performance. You can also choose start frame and end frame. So if you only want half of the animation, you can import just that section. And of course, animation needs interaction. So you can choose how it plays. Hover, click, loop. All automatically configured for you. Now let's import it. The plugin converts the animation, frame by frame, from 0% to 100%. And just like that, your animation is ready. Now go to Assets. You'll see a component created for your animation. Just drag it into your frame and hit Preview. And there it is, a looping animation inside Figma. Let's try Hover. Drag it in, preview, and now the animation plays when you hover. And finally, click Interaction. Click the element, and the animation plays. And the best part? This is not GIF. This is not video. This is 100% vector animation inside Figma. So you can zoom forever, and it stays perfect.
Also, if you are a UI/UX designer, this website is a real gem for you. You can find an online mockup generator where you just drag your image and instantly download a ready-to-use mockup. It also offers more than 100,000 free open-source icons, a Lottie editor, and a people's design library with curated resources for everyone, including icons, fonts, mockups, illustrations, and more. You can even copy and directly paste Figma assets, which makes your workflow much easier. Or you can use more Figma plugins that make your work simpler and up to 10 times faster. So that's it for today. We'll meet again in the next video.